All right, musicians, it is almost the end of the school year, and so it is time to say so long. And that is the name of our little song that we're going to do. It is a really simple song that you're just going to echo me for the most part. And it has a couple musical concepts called staccato and legato that I want you to listen for. Staccato means the notes are short and separated. And legato is the opposite. It means the notes are long and connected. So our song starts staccato, then gets more and more legato as it goes along, and then ends staccato. Kind of staccato, legato, staccato. So I want you to listen for that and see if you can hear it as we go along. All right, so it goes like this. It's time to say, so long, so long. And the notes sound like this. It's time to say, so long, so long. Now I'm going to play your part. So, it's time to say, so long. Good. Now, the next part is pretty simple as well. It's time to say, see you later. So, one more time. It's time to say, see you later. Now, this next part we're going to do all together. It goes, by the time we finish this song, oh this song, so try that with me. By the time we finish this song, oh this song, here's how the music goes. By the time we finish this song, oh this song. So try it with me. By the time we finish this song, oh this song. Good, we're almost done. So now we're just going to go back to the same thing we did at the beginning. It's time to say so long. Now this last time it gets extra long and extended, so hold it out. So I'm going to sing it. It's time to say. And now our very last part is going to be staccato and together. So long. Try it with me. So long. And then our very last thing is bye. So try that last little part with me from the It's Times. So here we go. It's time to say so long. And then the longest part. It's time to say so long. 1, 2, 3. Bye. All right, try it with me with the music on the next video. Have a great summer, you guys.